Like a Hellcat.
There. What's going on, you guys? Today is Sunday, and today is a new video, I guess. This is sort of a last-minute thing, and yeah, this is my very first video I'm doing on this new machine. It's my dad's machine.
You might be selling it.
Yeah, he might be selling it. He got it, I think, late winter last year, and I didn't do any videos on this because obviously haven't been really around it all through the winter time, so yeah, we're gonna do a startup on it, and this is a 2001 Yamaha Venture 600 triple.
Redhead.
Yeah, he always despised in triples, but something told him to buy this thing, so I don't know.
It's a redhead. It's bulletproof.
Yeah, it never really breaks down, I guess.
It's a redhead though.
Oh, well, whatever. So yeah, we're gonna.
You say it's a good engine, but I'm buying a 4-stroke.
Yeah, he wants to get a 4-stroke. He doesn't want a triple, so.
Yeah, a 4-stroke is a triple.
Oh, whatever. I know. I'm not really know much about sleds, so we're gonna see how she starts. Yeah, so this will be my very first video on the Venture, and I don't know how many videos I'll end up doing on this thing, so we'll see what happens. And this has electric start and reverse on it, so that's pretty cool.
Might not start because it's sitting.
Oh, I had to throw a little fuel in the spark plugs. This has been sitting
All summer.
yeah, all summer, so I don't know. See what happens.
Needs a little cleaning. Needs some antifreeze.
So that's what the motor looks like.
Oh, I was going to top up some stuff here.
So
Plus
yeah,
my hood doesn't fall.
yep. Gotta make sure his hood don't fall. It's quite.
New track.
Yeah, studded track. She's a heavy machine. This machine is, what was I going to say? It's quite heavy. And it would be quite the project if someone was to restore this type of machine. So yeah, it'd be quite a lot of work for somebody. But yeah, I love the shape of the hood. And normally on these type of older sleds, as you can see here, these sort of crumble away. So if I was to go like that, right, they crumble away. But this foam here, it's in pretty good condition. You got a few tears and wears here and there, but you know what, it's fine. My sled's the worst thing for it, because they're known for that, so. Hey? My sled's, my type of sled are known for these foam things starting to
the nice colors of the trees.
crumble, eh?
Good.
What? Yeah, so as you can see, it's fall time. Beautiful, beautiful trees.
Showing the videos.
Yeah. Or videos or trees. There's the trees. I was mulching 2 days ago and I ran over a dead bird and it was disgusting, so we got rid of that pretty damn quick because it grosses me out. I was going to do a video for you guys on the snowblower, but I didn't. But an update on that, it does run, but it runs like shit because they need a new carburetor and the carburetor leaks gas. So
Who's that?
on the snowblower, carburetor is leaking. So we have a buddy of ours that's going to fix it, and yeah.
Might take a bit for the gas to come up. I'm gonna hold it first. I'll pull it. I'm gonna pull it a couple times.
Go.
See.
Is the battery dead on it?
No, I don't know. No, I think so. Let's see.
Might take a while because we did run this dry last year when we put it away. Like we literally ran the tank dry. So it may take us a while to get it going because it takes time to get through the carb and that. Oh, the arrow. There we go. See, you heard it. You needed to get through the carb. It just took a few minutes. Look at the smoke. Let's look at the smoke. Can't really see anything, but we got some little bit of smoke action here. Give it a few minutes, it might smoke for real, so I don't know. There we go. Might got a little something here. It's not as cold, so it doesn't want to smoke that bad, but there you go, here's a little something. There, now we got smoke action. There you go, that's what I'm talking about, right there. Oh, now she's really going. There's the smoke. That's how many kilometers or whatever on it. And these hand grips work excellent. Thumb grips, thumb warmer too? This thing is hand and thumb warmer, so. It's been sitting, guys, so that's why it's kind of backfiring a little bit.
Oh, I blew a plug, I think.
You blew a plug. How did you blow a plug? Interesting.
Yeah, shut that off.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it here, so I don't know, we'll figure out what's going on. So we're just gonna let it run for a while, and then I think what we're gonna do is jack it up, and then we'll rev it up, might give it a few revs. But yeah, so this is my dad's 2001 Yamaha Venture 600 triple, and at first I thought it was a 700, but it was a 600, so you know, not bad machine. And this is my very first video in doing it on this machine, and the reason why I didn't do it last year is because I was with my girlfriend at the time, and I didn't get a chance to do anything about it, and plus I wasn't really around my dad's house at the time, so I didn't get a chance last year to do videos on it. But maybe, if I'm lucky enough, I might be able to do a video on it, I don't know. But yeah, so we're going to throw some seafoam in it, and I'm pretty sure you want to jack it up, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to want me to get a floor jack? Well, we'll figure something out and try to do, I don't know what we're going to do to jack this thing up, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. So yeah.